All right, today I'm going to show you how to dry yoga clothes. Okay, so right here, my yoga clothes, I just finished washing them in the washing machine. So now I'm going to reach in and I'm going to grab my yoga clothes and I'm going to dry them. I'm going to show you how I dry my yoga clothes to ensure that they're dry, for one thing, and then for two, to make sure they're dried correctly and they're not worn out from the dryer or shrinkage from the dryer. So I grabbed my clothes, all right, so I threw them into the dryer. As you can see right there, my yoga clothes are in the dryer, ready to go. So what do I do now? First, you're gonna go ahead and make sure that the lint filters are clean. There's no lint stuck in there, all right? And I'm gonna go ahead and shut it. And then I'm gonna go up to my Samsung, I have a Samsung dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Once I turn it on and hear that sound, and there's a lot of options to choose from. My Samsung dryer, it actually has a delicates mode to where I can switch it to delicates, and what it will do, it has the temperature at extra low, and I can adjust the dry level from very dry, damp dry to normal dry. I want normal dry, but the key feature with this is to dry your yoga clothes with a low temperature. This ensures that they don't shrink, but if you want them to shrink, if you want them to fit extra tight, you possibly could go to a higher temperature, but I don't recommend it because it can damage your clothes. But I have it at extra low. Now you can also do it if you don't have that option, fancy option for delicates. You can actually have it at normal and then just change the temperature if it allows you to. It doesn't allow me to change it at normal. So I have to go actually to delicates and do it. Now the key feature is to make sure that the temperature is low so you don't damage your clothes. Now if you can't do it if you don't have a dryer that can go to extra low, it's probably the best bet to go ahead and hang up your yoga clothes and let them air dry. So I'm just gonna have it extra low and I'm going to press start. And it starts to dry my yoga clothes. And that's how you dry yoga clothes. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.